so much. And here is now, and we need to arrange our bed so that we can lie down. Yes, we need to lie down because yung mata natin ba medyo medyo malabo. Mm. So, good evening. Okay, good. Okay. Yes, thank you so much. Ayusin natin yung ating bed. Dito pa lang pala eh. Mata ko ay nawawala. Hello,